Hi everybody and welcome to Fab Tax. I'm Rosemary and thanks for stopping by. Today I'm excited to share the first of my small gift series for the holidays. These will be quick, inexpensive, and easy, and will use mostly items from the Dollar Tree. Today's gift idea will be a DIY photo holder, like this little red truck and this ice skate, plus 20 more combinations. If you're familiar with my channel, you know I like to throw in surprise materials every now and again, and today's DIY is one of those times. Today's surprise material is Dollar Tree balloon weights. Yes, balloon weights. You know, the type that you find in the party section of the Dollar Tree that allows you to tie bunches of balloons on and use as centerpieces or as other decorations around a party. But as you will see, once we remove the little pipe cleaner and all of the wrapping, it reveals quite a useful object. So as you can see, it has a nice cement base. It's nice and round and has a little weight to it. And then I just want to remove some of those streamers. They're kind of an outer band. So I just use a utility knife and cut through the tape that's holding it together and then just remove all those streamers. Next, I'm going to remove the stars, and the stars are on wire and they're through the middle pole. So in order to see how it's all arranged, you really need to kind of give it a trim and cut off the stars around the center section there so that you can see how the wires are going through. Once that's done, I can see that the wires that hold the stars kind of go through the center and then wrap back around. So what I want to do is kind of just push them through that centerpiece of the pole so that it makes a little like bulge there. And then once I have that done, I want to cut off the the longer piece of the wire because I don't want to have to mess with all that now. But it was good to have it intact just so I could have extra wire to push through. And then I just took a screwdriver and pulled through, pushed it into the little bulge I made, and then pulled it through, and then just pulled out the whole piece. And then you can see it just frees up the middle pole nicely. Also, I just want to make one quick note. Dollar Tree is right now selling these kind of Christmas balloon holders in the Christmas section. But what I noticed is that these are not as nice once you undo the unwrapping. You'll see the ones in the party section are nice and smooth. This one's kind of bumpy and, has all these different ridges and such. So get those from the party section, and even when you get those, just do a quick check, make sure that they are nice and smooth on top. Of course, the people in the Dollar Tree will think you're a little crazy, like you're picking fruit in their balloon section, but you'll be happy you did. For this DIY, I'm going to paint one of the bases black and one of them white. I'm going to use chalk paint, and I found that the brushes are better to use the brush paint with the cement, but you can use spray as well. It's just you probably have to do several coats. Here's the base that I painted white, and this is just with one coat of the white chalk paint, but I'm going to go back. I could have just gone back and did a second coat of the chalk paint, but I decided I wanted to do like a glitter cover, like a white glitter on the base, so I'm going to just go from here and just do the white glitter. So to do that, I just put a good portion of white glue on the surface and just, of course, painted it all over, making sure it was nice and even and covered all of the base. And then I went back with my glitter and just sprinkled it all over the top. Now, of course, everything that is dropping there onto the sheet is going to be put back into the container, but just wanted to make sure I had a good, healthy amount of glitter. Now, here is a selection of other ornaments from the Dollar Tree that I could use alternately with the white base. So here is this large white snowflake with a silver inlay that looks just so pretty, and also can be used to create this photo holder. And then we can see how this little ornament with the white pearls would look, and maybe a little bow to the top of there to cover that little hole would be nice. And then there's also the same selection or the same type of ornament with a gold finish with the white pearls. Also looks pretty with the white base. And then this silver cross, you can see how pretty that looks with the white base. Now, one of my favorites is this beautiful angel wings that is from the Dollar Tree. And this one, it takes a little tweaking. So I'm going to just bend the wire around so that it will stick behind the wings, otherwise it would come up straight in the middle of the wings. But you can see how easy that is. Just kind of bend it around and then you would just attach it there in the back. But what a lovely gift for someone who's maybe an angel in your life, or maybe just for someone who has passed on and you want to memorialize them this holiday season, and you could have something like this with a picture of them in your home. And here are some more Dollar Tree options for the white base. So this little fuzzy snowman looks really cute on top of that, as well as this great big ornament that also looks great with the snowy base. And then the little red door looks like, it's a little snowy doorstep. I also wanted to show you a selection of ornaments from Walmart. The little skate comes from Walmart. But the thing is that these are all only $2. So they have some beautiful, beautiful ornaments there, many more than these. I just got a few of them so I could show you what they would look like with the white base, like this little gold ornament with the forest scene with the deer, and it has a little snow globe. It's absolutely adorable. How about this little doggy with her little tutu and bow? How cute is she? And then we also have in pink this little tree scene inside a little tree globe, and that would look great with maybe even a gold base as well. Very pretty. And then how cute is the Santa, letters to Santa, again, like kind of reminiscent of a mailbox in the snow. And then this little the little gnome, yes, a little gnome. How cute is he in his little skis? And his little skis can slide right between the pole there, and he would make a great little photo holder as well. And then this deer is actually cheaper than a Dollar Tree because they come 4 to a pack, and I believe it was $2.88. So you can make a whole collection of these little deer for pretty inexpensively. And again, he looks like he's walking through the snow. Okay, so now here is the black holder, or the holder painted in black. And I'm going to just add some twine to the base here because most of the ones I'm going to be showing you now, or the different combinations, really, it kind of just needed like a little twine to the bottom to pull the whole piece together. So I'm going to just go ahead and add that before I show you all the different ones that will go nicely with the black. So these are all from Dollar Tree, and the first one is this little snowman on a sled, and he says, "Let it snow," and he would just make such a cute little photo holder. And then there's this snowflake on the tartan plaid, and then this love with the berries and pine cones, so cute. And then what's nice about these, we have it also in the joy and the peace. And what's nice about these is that you can have the whole set. It would look so pretty all together. And you can see where that twine just fits in so nice, or pulls it all together. And then in addition, you also have these others that also form the set. So if you want to go with that as the set as well, it would look really pretty. So here's a selection of ornaments from Walmart that would also look good with the little black base. And these are all $2. You have the little snowmen with the hats. How cute are they? And then this little deer silhouette with the tree. And you can see how it just fits so nicely on the base and then gets supported by the pole and can be glued to the pole. The same would be true here with the galvanized tree with the berries and greens. And then look at this beautiful joy sign. Oh my goodness, so pretty. So pretty with the little burlap bow, and again the berries and the greens. And again, $2. And this one with the red buffalo check and the Merry Christmas and the burlap bow. So cute. Makes a beautiful, beautiful photo holder. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I put them together now with the skate. So here is the snowy base with the white paint and the white glitter. And there's 2 ways that you can do this. You can either bend the piece around, or you can add one of these ornament hooks. So with the white one, I'm going to bend it around, and with the black one, I will attach the ornament hook. So I just bend it around by holding the bottom of the pole with one pliers, and I take the other pliers, and then I just kind of pull that one around so that it's now facing upwards instead of facing downwards. And then that just creates a holder that you can slide your photo right in. To attach my ornament to the base, I just put some E6000 on, in this case, the blade of the skate, and then added some hot glue on either side of the strip of E6000. And then added some E6000 to the pole sticking up from the base. and then just put the skate in place on the base. And I made sure that I was, holding it so that the E6, it was in a spot where it was going to be touching the back pole and the E6000. And then once the bottom had set up, the hot glue had set up on the bottom, I just added a little hot glue to the points of contact on the back and held in place till set. And here is the finished project. For the red truck, I removed the ornament hanger and then also the little wires that hold the truck to the Merry Christmas sign. Next, I'm going to take the little truck and just position it where I want to place it, and then identify where I want to cut the poles so that I can attach the little ornament hanger. So I've already cut this one, and I'm going to take my ornament hanger and then just cut off that bottom tail so that I just have a straight piece that goes down along the pole. And then I'm going to take some E6000 and apply it to the pole, and then also some hot glue above and below that strip. Next, I'm going to take my little ornament hanger that has the cut off tail and just place it there where the hot glue and the E6000 is, and hold it until this hot glue is set. And then paint it again with the black paint. And once that's done, I will go back again with some E6000 on the pole, and then some E6000 and hot glue on the little truck where I'm going to be attaching it, right there at the tree and down that one side panel of the truck cab. And then I'm going to just place it on the pole and hold it until the hot glue is set. Then I took the Merry Christmas sign and just added a little E6000 to the back, along with some hot glue around the E6000, and then attached that to the base. Then to finish it off, I just took a little gingham checked ribbon that I got from Hobby Lobby and tied a little bow to the top. And here's the finished project. Well, I hope you have enjoyed this first edition of my quick, inexpensive, and easy small gift DIY video series, featuring photo holders made from ornaments and Dollar Tree balloon weights. The plan is to release new editions of this gift series weekly through mid-December, so if you'd like to see more, make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell so that you are notified as soon as they are published. If you enjoyed the video, please remember to give a thumbs up, and please share with any family and friends you think would also enjoy this DIY. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave in the comment section, and let me know if you plan on making any of these photo holders, and if so, which one. Also, please let me know what you thought of today's surprise material. In the past, we used everything from turkey holders to paper rolls to gutter strainers to mouse traps, and I always enjoy hearing your comments on these surprise and unusual materials. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.